Oman is located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. The capital city of Oman is Muscat, famous for its stunning architecture and vibrant marketplaces. Oman is known for its ancient forts and castles, which dot the landscape and tell tales of the country's rich history. The national dress of Omani men includes a long white robe called a dishdasha and a turban. Omani women traditionally wear colorful dresses adorned with intricate embroidery. Oman is home to the largest sand desert in the world, the Rub al Khali, also known as the Empty Quarter. The Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque in Muscat is one of the largest mosques in the world, known for its stunning architecture and intricate decorations. Oman has a diverse landscape, with rugged mountains, sandy deserts, and beautiful beaches along its coastline. The Omani people are known for their hospitality and welcoming nature towards visitors. Oman has a rich maritime history, with a long tradition of dhow sailing and fishing along its coastline. The ancient city of Nizwa is home to one of the oldest souks in Oman, where you can find traditional Omani handicrafts and products. Oman is a peaceful country with a low crime rate, making it a safe destination for travelers. The traditional Omani cuisine is a delicious mix of flavors, with dishes featuring rice, fish, meat, and spices like cardamom and saffron. The Omani Royal Opera House in Muscat is a cultural hub, hosting performances by local and international artists. Oman is known for its frankincense, which has been traded in the region for centuries and is still produced in the country today. Jebel Shams is the highest mountain in Oman, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Oman has a unique traditional music and dance culture, with performances often accompanied by the oud and drums. The Omani khanjar, a traditional curved dagger, is a symbol of the country's heritage and craftsmanship. The Al-Hajar Mountains in Oman are popular among hikers and adventure seekers for their rugged terrain and picturesque views. The Omani calendar is based on the Islamic lunar calendar, with official holidays marking important Islamic festivals. The Omani fallage system, an ancient irrigation method, is still in use today to distribute water to agricultural areas. Oman is home to a variety of wildlife, including Arabian leopards, sea turtles, and a wide range of bird species. The ancient city of Bala, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its impressive fortress and traditional pottery industry. The Omani coastline is a popular destination for water sports enthusiasts, with opportunities for diving, snorkeling, and fishing. The Al-Balid Archaeological Park in Salalah showcases the ancient history of Oman, including ruins of a medieval port city. Oman is a leading producer of oil and natural gas, which are key industries in the country's economy. The Bima sinkhole is a natural wonder in Oman, formed by the collapse of a limestone cavern and filled with turquoise water. Oman is known for its traditional rose water production, which is used in cooking and cosmetics. The Omani frankincense trees, Boswellia sacra, are prized for their fragrant resin, which is harvested by skilled workers. Salalah, in southern Oman, is known for its lush greenery and monsoon season, which is a stark contrast to the rest of the country's arid climate. The Omani government has invested in infrastructure and education, leading to improvements in healthcare and literacy rates. Sir, a coastal town in Oman, is famous for its dhow shipbuilding industry, where traditional wooden boats are still constructed by hand. Oman is a popular destination for birdwatching, with migratory birds passing through the country during different seasons. The ancient city of Tanif, located in the Al-Hajar Mountains, was destroyed during a military conflict in the 1950s and remains a haunting reminder of Oman's past. Oman has a rich tradition of storytelling and poetry, with poets known as Sha'irs revered in Omani society. The Oman National Museum in Muscat showcases the country's history and culture, with exhibits ranging from artifacts to contemporary art. The Omani dessert halwa, a sweet gelatinous treat, is a popular dessert served during special occasions and celebrations. The Omani economy has diversified in recent years, with industries such as tourism, manufacturing, and logistics growing in importance. Oman is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Arab, African, and South Asian traditions shaping its customs and cuisine. The Omani Ministry of Heritage and Culture works to preserve and promote the country's traditional arts and crafts. Oman is known for its traditional handicrafts, including silver jewelry, woven textiles, and camel bone carvings. The Duqm Special Economic Zone in Oman is a major industrial hub, attracting investment from around the world. The Omani coastline is a haven for marine life, with dolphins, whales, and colorful coral reefs to be found in its waters. Ras Al Jins in Oman is famous for its nesting site of endangered green turtles, which come ashore to lay their eggs during the breeding season. The Omani government has implemented conservation initiatives to protect its natural environment, including national parks and marine reserves. Oman is a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council, a political and economic alliance of Arab states in the Gulf region. The traditional Omani dance, the Raza, is performed during festive occasions and celebrations, accompanied by drums and chanting. The Omani Royal Guard Symphony Orchestra is a renowned musical ensemble that performs classical and traditional Omani music. The Omani currency is the Omani Rial, which is pegged to the US dollar at a fixed exchange rate. The Omani Ministry of Tourism promotes the country as a destination for cultural tourism, ecotourism, and adventure travel. Oman has a rich tradition of shipbuilding, with dhow vessels still built in traditional shipyards along the coast. The Sultan Qaboos University in Muscat is a leading educational institution in Oman, offering a wide range of academic programs. The Omani armed forces are well equipped and trained, and play a key role in the country's defense and security. Oman is known for its traditional silver jewelry, which is often intricately designed with geometric patterns and symbols. The Omani desert is home to unique plant species adapted to the harsh conditions, including acacia trees and desert roses. Oman is a popular destination for off-road enthusiasts, with challenging desert tracks and rugged mountain trails to explore. The Omani government has invested in renewable energy projects, including solar and wind power, to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels.